We have got what we finally wanted. Claude has just launched the Claude Fable 5, which is a Mythos class model. This is not the peak Mythos model because they have clearly said here we have made safe for general use this particular Fable 5 model. The real Mythos model is available only for a limited people. This is the benchmark of Claude Fable 5 and absolutely rocking. Like no model can come close to it. Look at the agent decoding, which is around 80%, and Opus 4.5 is 69%, GPT 5.5 is 58%. Like it's miles ahead, 29% here, two times than Opus 4.8. Just look at the jump over there. The main thing that you need to notice here is the cybersecurity exploit bench. It comes around 78%, whereas Claude 4.8 comes around only 40%. That's the main reason they said if this model comes out, people could find literally tons of vulnerabilities and take advantage, would cause a big headache for the companies. We have also got a small update about Claude Mythos 5. For a small group of cyber defenders and critical infrastructure providers, we are launching Claude Mythos 5. Not for everyone, Mythos has been launched. And at the final thing they have said, Claude Fable 5 is available everywhere today. Claude Mythos 5 is restricted to the partners. So that's the reason they said this is like a junior model and not the peak Mythos model. But it's basically built on the Mythos 5, as it clearly says here, right? Shares the same underlying model as Fable 5. If you're having a Claude paid plan, you can start using it now. Here I'm in the Claude console workbench and I was just giving a prompt, the famous 6-finger problem, and it was able to solve it. I was so surprised because many best models would say there are only 5 fingers and not 6, but this has given it knocked off. And when it comes to the pricing, it's 2 times more the cost of Claude Opus 4.8. It's 5, and for Fable 5 and Mythos it's $10, and here it's 12.5, and here it's 20. So basically for output also it's 25 and 50 over here. So it's like 2 times expensive, but for that stats, for that benchmark, I guess it's totally worth it. And what do you think? Let me know in the comments. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.